My Dog Just Speaks Spanish by Andrea, Cáceres. When Aurora came to the United States, she learned to speak English. But not Nana. She only knows Spanish. She doesn't know sit, but she knows siéntate. She doesn't know wait, but she knows espera. She doesn't know come, but she knows vente. When they go to the dog park and someone says fetch, all the other dogs run. But Nana joins in only when Aurora says, búscala. A treat doesn't mean anything to Nana, but she can sniff out a postre. Some people don't know why Nana doesn't move when they say come here. So Aurora tells them, Nana speaks only Spanish. But Aurora loves to teach them new words so Nana can understand her new friends. Surprise! Some people in the city speak Spanish too. Nana likes to give kisses, or as she knows them, besos. When it's time to head home, Aurora says, vamos. Aurora is not concerned that Nana doesn't know English yet, because she will always be there to help Nana. And every time Aurora needs a friend, she knows Nana will be there for her. Back at the house, Aurora and Nana speak Spanish together. Te quiero mucho, Nana.